Globus model in the product line of professional handheld stimulators is Genesy 1200, characterized by a 530 program library including EMS, TENS, microcurrents, interferential currents, Russian currents, rehab currents, denervated and iontophoresis. The refreshing thing about the Genesy 1200 is its modern and ergonomic design with a large backlit display enabling an easy control of the navigation menu and the visualization of the stimulation parameters during any usage phase. The central section has a large rubber keyboard for simple and intuitive intensity adjustment on the 4 channels. The joypad on the lower portion of the keypad allows easy and intuitive navigation around menus to quickly select the desired treatment. This machine has 4 channels with 8 electrode pads and up to 120 mA of current. Turning on the Genesy 1200, the display shows the initial selection for a complete list of programs, the favorites and the last 10. By selecting the list of programs, we can attest that the biggest set of this machine is in the library of 530 programs subdivided in 10 areas. All high-level athletes regularly utilize electrical muscle stimulation to attain maximum sport results. Electrical muscle stimulation, as a matter of fact, by triggering a powerful muscle contraction, causes extraordinary training effects that quickly and in a lasting way increase the athletic capability of athletes in every sport discipline, from soccer to track and from ski to triathlon. The fitness area proposes a selection of the best firming, toning and sculpting programs to model an harmonious and equilibrated body. As well, programs to increase strength and muscle mass to develop a well-defined and powerful physique. In the aesthetics area, it is possible to find many and important treatments for men and women that span from lipolysis to massage, from drainage to firming, a balanced combination that helps the body to regain health and beauty. The specific programs against cellulite, by stimulating tissue and activating circulation, help reduce fat and attack cellulite, eliminating unappealing skin conditions. The result will be a toned and attractive fur body. This area contains all necessary programs to recover from disuse atrophy following an accident and the following phases during the rehab process, up to completely regaining the neuromuscular function. There are numerous programs to treat particular neuromuscular pathologies. Physicians and physiotherapists commonly utilize tense currents to treat acute and chronic pain coming from muscles and joints. The application of these currents promotes the release of endorphins and blocks propagation of pain with an immediate antalgic effect. This group of currents are particularly effective to treat specific neuromuscular pathologies. The Genesy 1200 offers professional users like physicians, orthopedists, physiotherapists, a wide choice of therapeutic currents to effectively treat every type of pathology whose outcome is affected by electrical stimulation. Thanks to the navigation system, easy steam, program choice and execution are extremely simple. In this example, we are showing how to select a program for maximum strength of the quadriceps. From the program list, we select Sport, Men, then the maximum force program and select lower limbs. If we want to, the machine shows us the recommended pad position for the selected program. It is impossible to do it incorrectly. At this point, we push the Start button. We can even save the program in favorites to find it at a later time in our personal library. we are ready to start, we increase the intensity and the program starts. From this point on, we will be able to follow every phase of treatment on the display of the stimulator until the end of the selected program with maximum comfort and safety. Look at 2+2 simulation. This is a feature exclusive to professional Globus machines. This function allows 2 different simultaneous treatments on 2 different people. For instance, gluteus lipolysis, women, and strength arms, men, or 2 different treatments on the same person, cutting in 2 work time. It is like having 2 electrostimulators for the price of 1. Globus interpreted the needs of the users who have to repeat over and over the same program with the same ease with which one recovers a telephone number from those recently dialed. So can one retrieve a recent program from those performed without wasting any time. With the same logic, we created a menu for the programs that one always wants to have immediately accessible. A quick selection and the favorite program can be repeated. For professional use in a medical or physiotherapy practice in which the machine is used for different patients, with different settings and personalized adjustments, the multi-user feature is very helpful. Every user accesses only his or her own settings and programs that the physician or the physiotherapist has prepared for this patient. The auto-steam function allows to start the most frequently used programs automatically by increasing the current intensity to the level stored during the last use, without any need for manual intervention. Increase current on all 4 channels simultaneously up to the optimal intensity. For the final adjustment of the contraction, one uses the individual channel adjustment keys.